Alright, so they want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new cordless leaf blower. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. This is the round nozzle that it comes with. The actual leaf blower itself, very cool. Comes with not just one, but two batteries for it. Both of these will last you about 60 minutes each on the low setting. And then it does come with the flat nozzle attachment, the user manual, as well as the charger for the batteries. So let's go actually set it up. We're going to put this one. All right, so we're going to put this one. So you can see it snaps right into place. And then I'm going to get one of these batteries. Check it out. It does also let you know how much charge it has. We'll put it back here. It's ready to go. So I did want to show here, it does have the power button along with the gear button. So gear 1 and gear 2. Gear 1 will just be the normal one, and then gear 2 will be a little bit stronger, but it also has the turbo right here just for that little extra push. But let's go ahead and actually turn it on, and then we'll go ahead and try it out. So we'll get power. And when you hit power, as you can see, it'll also tell you the battery on there as well. There you go. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. First gear. Now let's try out that turbo. Very cool. So now let's also set it to the second gear. As you can see right now, I'm using it on my porch to clear any dirt, leaves, or debris. And you can see how strong the airflow is. What makes this one different is the advanced axial turbo motor. It pushes out an impressive 450 CFM and up to 150 miles per hour of strong concentrated air. So whether you're dealing with dry leaves, caked on dust, or loose gravel, it'll handle it like a pro. One of the best things about it is super lightweight at just about 7.2 pounds. I've used heavier leaf blowers before, and this one is much easier to maneuver with one hand. And it's not just for outdoors either. This thing is versatile. You can use it to clean out your garage, clear cobwebs in a hard to reach corner, or even blow out light snow or dust from indoor entryways. You can see pretty powerful considering that it is cordless. I love that it does come with the two batteries, so if you have a big job, you'll be good to go. So if you guys are looking for a new cordless leaf blower, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.